Instagram is a popular social media app that has created quite a buzz in the world of the internet. There are almost or more than 1 billion active users of Instagram currently. Sometimes due to some reason, you may find that Instagram reels not views. Are you facing the same issue? Let's see how to fix the Instagram views on reel not working. Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Instagram not showing view on reels. First, open the App Store. Click search bar, then type Instagram. Click Instagram. If you get any update, please update. Now turn off the internet connection from your phone. Then turn on the internet connection again. Then enable airplane mode. Then disable airplane mode. Go to settings. Click general. Click iPhone storage. Find Instagram. Click Instagram. Then click offload app. Click offload app. Then click reinstall app. Wait for a while. The process will take 5 to 10 minutes to complete. If a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. After following all the steps, restart your phone.